get fast delivery on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get fastest delivery on your Temu orders. So Temu offers free standard shipping on most orders, and they also may provide you with free express shipping for orders above a certain threshold. So in the free standard shipping, this method typically takes between 6 to 20 business days for delivery of most of the items. It is free of charge, but delivery times can be longer during busy periods, or it also depends on the location of your place and the location of the vendors and the seller who is selling the product. And the Temu Express shipping is basically used for faster delivery. You can opt for Temu Express ship, which usually takes up to 4 to 9 days. However, there are shipping charges for $12.90 if the total order value is less than $129. However, if your order value is more than or above the threshold, which is $129, your express delivery may be free of cost also. So that's how it works. So this is basically how you will be able to get fast delivery on Temu. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.